And welcome along to part 3 of the test. In this we're focusing on 60p. Part 1 was 24p and part 2 was 30p. So now we settle down with 60. As probably expected, this does look the smoothest for our landscape pan that we're testing with, but a lot of people don't like the 60p look. Certainly if you're going for that cinematic look, 24p is where you're gonna be. 30p is kind of the best of both, and 60 if fluidity is really what you want. We're going to start the test with what the shutter speed should be at 180 degrees. I can't get to 120th, but I've gone to 125th. From there, 1/500th, 1/1000th, and just for kicks and giggles, 1/160th. So please make sure you watch part 1 first, and without further ado, let the testing begin. And, as usual guys, it's been emotional.